Have you ever felt an intense connection with someone who seemed to understand you like no one else? But as time went on, that connection turned into something draining, leaving you feeling emotionally exhausted? That's what happens when an empath falls in love with a narcissist. It's like mixing fire and water, creating a storm of emotions. In this video, we'll uncover 5 important things that occur when these two personalities collide, shedding light on a complex but crucial topic. So, grab a seat because this isn't just a love story. It's a journey through the intricate dance between an empath and a narcissist. Unveiling the dynamics, empaths, and narcissists. Empaths, the healers. Empaths, often hailed as the emotional healers, possess an innate ability to sense, understand, and absorb the emotions of those around them. Their compassionate nature, coupled with an almost intuitive grasp of others' feelings, draws them towards nurturing and supporting individuals in need. Empaths thrive on forging deep connections, often prioritizing others' needs above their own. Narcissists, the self-centric persona. Contrary to empaths, narcissists exhibit an overwhelming sense of self-importance, seeking constant validation and admiration. Their behavior revolves around a grandiose self-image, often displaying traits of manipulation, lack of empathy, and an unrelenting thirst for control and dominance in relationships. The intersection, when worlds collide, the collision of these distinct personas leads to a whirlwind of emotions and experiences, each leaving a notable impact on the relationship. 5 crucial dynamics in empath-narcissist bonds. 1. The magnetic attraction. Initially, the empath's caring nature and the narcissist's charm create an intense magnetism. The empath is drawn to the narcissist's charismatic aura, while the narcissist revels in the empath's unwavering support and understanding. 2. The emotional roller coaster. As the relationship progresses, the empath's ability to absorb emotions intensifies. The empath becomes entangled in the narcissist's emotional turmoil, often experiencing overwhelming stress due to the constant emotional upheavals. 3. The empath's sacrifice. In their pursuit to heal and support the narcissist, empaths inadvertently sacrifice their own well-being. Their relentless dedication to salvaging the relationship leads to emotional exhaustion and a gradual erosion of self-worth. 4. The cycle of manipulation. Narcissists, driven by their desire for control, manipulate the empath's emotions and vulnerabilities. This manipulation perpetuates a cycle where the empath becomes ensnared in a web of emotional turmoil, further strengthening the narcissist's hold. 5. The empath's awakening. Over time, the empath undergoes a transformative realization. They recognize the toxicity of the relationship, acknowledge their own needs, and begin the arduous journey of self-preservation and healing. Navigating the path forward. For empaths entangled in such relationships, recognizing the signs, setting boundaries, and prioritizing self-care becomes imperative. Seeking support from trusted individuals, therapists, or support groups aids in untangling oneself from the gripping hold of a narcissistic bond. Understanding the intricate dynamics between an empath and a narcissist sheds light on the complexities underlying such relationships. It's pivotal for empaths to prioritize their emotional well-being, recognize manipulation, and embark on a journey towards self-healing and empowerment.